So guys, as you can see, yeah, it look nice. Oh, what's up viewers and subscribers, you know it's your boy Alex, and today me and Wayne they're on the scene where he's installing the windows for the project. As you can hear in the background, I'm going to show you all more. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about Alex Nation and doing good in my community. If you'd like to donate towards the finishing of this project by any means, by anything you want to donate towards, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to finish up for Christmas Eve, which is the 24th of December, and today is, I think it's the 12th of December or 13th. But anyways, as I'm saying, if you'd like to donate towards this project, my Cash App, my PayPal, my Zelle will be down in the comment section. If you'd like to donate by Western Union, MoneyGram, JNR, whichever, you can contact me. My number will be on the screen also, so just stay tuned. Guys, yesterday I had to purchase some sand. I didn't video it or anything so that I could get this part and this outside rendered off. As you can see in the background, the windows are here. Wayne is at work right now, so just here getting stuff done. Yeah, I'm late, but I'm here. You know what I'm saying? And the big man there too, at work at all times. Where you say I go on now? Alright. We now want to see if we can knock up him, man. We knock up your window them today. Eh? Then gonna lead, man. Ricardo and his friend them play football. Ricardo in a number 3 shirt. Nice designs. Also, I want to say a special thank you to that private donor who sent $700 towards the Williams Family Project. Also, I want to say a special thank you to other private donors who have donated to the project and wish for their names not to be mentioned. Also, I want to say a special thank you to Miss T, who donated $30,000 from Jamaica towards the Williams Family Project. And many thank you to all the viewers and all the persons for their continuous support by watching the videos, watching the ads, and all that you guys have been doing and sharing my content to your friends, family, and whosoever it may be. Just keep sharing. For the Christmas, I want to get to 30,000 subscribers. I'm at 24,000 subscribers, so help me to get how much more? 6,000 more subscribers. Like, share, comment, and stay tuned. My phone is about to die. Hopefully it lasts for me to make more content, more videos to do with the installment of the windows for today. If it die, well, I'm not going to be able to upload this video, so I'm excited right now, so just stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, windows them are installed. I want to say thank you to all of the viewers for their continuous support and stuff like that. I'm just here providing contents to you all for you all to see what's going on. So guys, quick and fast, I go home, forget a little charge my phone and come back. And then put it in your window. Yeah, it look nice. I slap them on the inside, go up on the inside, that's what I got. Nice man. Nice windows. Guys, if you don't want to know windows done, contact Queen, you know? Nice windows and stuff. So we're just short on tiles for the room and the veranda. Windows accurate, so we can lock up the place now. No intruders or anything. It's at living condition right now. More than living condition. So guys, we are almost at the end of this quick update. So like, share, subscribe, comment, tell a friend about Alex Nation. I'm doing good in my community. If you would like to donate towards this project, to either purchase tiles for the outside, this little area, like $3 a tile, look like it can do it. And I like down it, and I like down it, like $3 a tile or $4 a tile, look like it can do the veranda. And then I already told you guys the estimate about the room and stuff, so stay tuned until next time. We are now leaving. Let me close the door so no one can go inside. Close, so we're leaving now. Stay tuned.